Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Alright, today I'm finally coloring my hair. Yes, once again, it is now the end of January and I have not posted all month. I'm so sorry. But I have been fading my hair, so if you didn't see my last video, I did go red and this is what's left of that. So I have been fading it pretty good. This is what's left, and I did bleach my roots also, so I am now officially ready to do a new color. Before I get into this video, I do want to explain to you that I did have an injury, which is another reason why this has been put off for a little bit longer than what I wanted. I have a shoulder injury. Here's the x-ray. And here is a reenactment from my son. So yeah, my shoulder's screwed up, so me lifting my arms to do the actual dyeing is going to be fun. So I hope you guys stick around and watch how fun and painful this is going to be for me. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into what am I doing, what am I using, all that fun stuff. So today I have a massive amount of brands, well not massive amount, but I have a little smorgasbord of colors and things that I have just happen to have on hand in stock that I'm going to be using and kind of mixing to create the colors that I want to get. So without further ado, let's get into the colors and show you what I have and what I'm using and do our mixtures. Alright, so to start, of course, I have my bowls and brushes and gloves. I have this vision, okay, so I want to have dark purple on my roots, so this just happens to be what I have. This one is basically empty, but I could probably get some out of it. And then this one is this. I have a good amount of this. Next color I'm going to do is a violet pinky type color. This is actually not virgin pink, it's purple. I'll show you that. And then I have violet dream. So let's mix this. This is what this looks like. It's actually like violet dream. I just stuck it in this because it was leftovers. Alright, third, we're going to do a blue, and for that I have aquamarine, and I have a very little bit left of the poseidon. Next and final color, we have a green slash yellow. See what happens. Now that we have our mixtures, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on. I do already have my crappy hair dye shirt on, trying to make it nice and pretty, you know, with as many colors as possible, so it's okay. So let's go ahead and move on over to my bathroom where I actually have mirrors and can do this. So let's get this in my head. Beauty over pain, beauty over pain. Now what color should I do this? I always like to do something a little extra with it, so sometimes it turns out and sometimes it don't. Let's do more blue because I feel like a lot of it is like the purple and pink. So let's add more blue and all that in there. Let's do that. Actually, let's do a little purple root at the very tip, and then we'll blend that into blue. Let's do that. Oof, I look like I've been working in some mines. Look at that. Okay. Just bring it all the way down. We'll put some green in it. Shit. We're going blue. Go blue. Just go for it. We're going all blue. Okay, that was easy. Oh, man. Oh, oof. It is all over my face. Okay. I'm so happy. At first I was like, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but it actually looks really cool. So curious to see how it will be once I rinse it out. My arm is in pain. I'm gonna go rest in my little sling. I'm gonna put that on. That's what happens when you get old. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and shit. Now for the processing time, I believe the bottle says like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But, you know me, I'm gonna do a whole 1 or 2 hours whenever I feel like it. And then I'm going to rinse, cold water. Always do cold water when you're doing colors like this. And then I will see you guys back with the final results. Let's go! Ta-da! Alrighty, what do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty good. So I tried to do curls, and for some reason, I always have this vision of these beautiful waves you see in the movies and TV shows. And then I end up like this. So it's like 70s slash 50s vibes. And yeah, I had the inability to just do waves and make it look cool. I gotta go full out freaking crazy prom princess freaking shit. Yeah, so unfortunately, besides the waves and the weird curls, what do you guys think about the color? I'm a little disappointed that the actual purple didn't show up as good as I would have liked it to. I feel like it's more pink than anything, and that has a lot to do with the purple rain. For some reason, that's the color that it turns. I'm really not a fan of purple rain, but unfortunately, that's what I had to use along with the Lunar Tides, which is an actual purple. So you can see some in the front, but a lot of it turned this like purple rain. That's the color that purple rain turns, but not a fan. So I would like to go over it again and put actual dark purple on it, like more purple. And so I'll probably do that in the next few weeks or so. So if you want to follow along with that, definitely add me on Snapchat. You can see this stuff before I post it on YouTube. You get free, free. It's all free. You get previews of what I do before I post it on here, and a little bit of my personal life and that kind of stuff. But here's a spin around for you. So I guess it's not that bad. I don't know. I'm not a fan of these. Whatever. What is this? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments or color suggestions, leave them in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.